Hi there, Poppin PJ here.
For this Christmas craft, you will need a pickle jar or any jar of your choosing. A napkin with a picture or scene that you like. We will open the napkin and cut out the picture. I like. We will begin by tearing the napkin into pieces, the part of the napkin that does not have the focal point of the artwork. Pouring the Mod Podge so that we can adhere the napkin pieces onto our jar to make our beautiful gift. I'm starting with the top of the pickle jar, just putting some Mod Podge right around the top, and then taking some of my pieces that I have torn and just placing them around to get all of the jar covered. I will continue this process with the pieces for the top portion of the jar here. Just place the pieces wherever you would like, overlapping. Just make sure that you get some Mod Podge under the overlap. Now I'm going to be putting some Mod Podge on the main part of the jar. I'm going to use some larger pieces of the napkin here. Just place and press. For me personally, when I place the pieces, if there's a part of the napkin that's a straight edge, I usually try to cover that part up or just go ahead and tear it so that it is very uneven. I don't want the straight lines for this particular craft. But if you choose to keep the straight lines on the paper and put the Mod Podge, that's fine too. Now I am just pinching and tearing the edge of the napkin that is going to be the focal point of our jar creation. We are getting to the exciting part now. Brushing on a good coat of Mod Podge so that I can place this center point of our craft right in that area and it will adhere well. Let's go Santa. Doing my happy dance. The cost of this jar really is just that of the cost of a napkin. He's not quite straight up and down for me, so I'm just going to lift it up and readjust it. There we go. Just pressing him down nicely so that he is well adhered. If there's any spots that are sticking up, I'm going to make sure to put Mod Podge under there and seal it down. I will be putting napkin pieces on the bottom of the jar, but I'm going to let this dry when I'm done with it and do that later, and it's the same process as you see here. Now just putting a good coat of Mod Podge all over our Santa jar. We are transforming this jar from a pickle jar to a gift jar. I can't wait to see what it looks like. The cool thing about this craft is that we are reusing a jar that we would have recycled or thrown away. I think it's coated pretty well. So here it is. I'm loving it. Here it is as a gift jar with some LED lights in it. And or you could put a pendant on the top, which I'm going to do here using some E6000 glue. I decoupaged the lid too. Pressing it firmly for just a few seconds to let it dry. So here it is on my bar as a pretty decorative accent piece for Christmas. You could put candy in the jar, you can use it as a money jar, whatever you choose. And here is a bottle that I did a snowman napkin on. It can be used as a floral vase as shown here. I can use the rest of the napkins at home or I can use them for other crafts. I'm pleased with the creation. It's poppin'. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.